Okay, so I just read about this tool called rendercv that converts your CV written in YAML into a perfectly formatted PDF.
Wait, YAML. That's unexpected. I usually think of YAML for configuration files, not resumes.
Right, but it makes sense. You can version control your CV since it's just text, no more template issues.
That's pretty cool. So it's all about focusing on the content instead of the formatting, huh?
Exactly, it takes care of typography and spacing, so you get a polished look every time.
But doesn't that assume everyone is comfortable with YAML? What about those who aren't tech savvy?
Good point. I wonder if they offer a user-friendly interface or something to help with that.
They probably need to cater to a broader audience. Making it accessible is key.
Totally, imagine someone trying to land a job, but they get stuck figuring out YAML syntax.
That could be a huge barrier. Also, what if someone makes a mistake? Is there a validation process?
Yes, they actually have this strict validation feature that spots errors and guides you.
That's reassuring. So if something's wrong, you're informed before rendering the PDF.
Exactly, it ensures you get a perfect PDF without surprises. Super helpful.
And it seems like you can also customize the design down to the font and colors.
Right, you have total control over the details, which is a game changer for personal branding.
But I wonder if all that control leads to overwhelming choices for some people.
That's a good concern. Too many options can paralyze decision making.
Exactly. Sometimes simpler is better. Do they have any preset themes?
Yes, they offer various themes, so you can choose one that fits your style without fuss.
That makes it easier. But I'm curious if the themes are flexible enough for personalization.
I think they strike a balance. You can tweak elements without starting from scratch.
That sounds promising. And using a tool like this could save so much time.
Absolutely, no more wrestling with layout issues just to make it look professional.
Wait, what happens if you want to make updates later? Is it easy to change?
Yes, since it's just a text file, you can easily modify your CV whenever needed.
Wow, that's super convenient. How often do you think people really update their CVs?
Probably more than we think, life changes, new skills, projects, it adds up.
This tool could definitely encourage more frequent updates, which is fantastic.
Exactly, a dynamic CV could really reflect a person's growth over time.
Have you seen the examples? They look really professional, makes a strong impression.
They do, and it's intriguing to see how different themes convey different vibes.
Totally. It's like wearing different outfits for different occasions.
Exactly, and just like clothes, it's crucial to pick a style that resonates with your field.
That's a great analogy. But do you think some industries might prefer traditional formats?
Definitely, some sectors are still pretty conservative about formats and presentations.
That could be a limitation for rendercv. It might not fit every job market.
That's true, they might need to emphasize flexibility for those industries.
So while it's innovative, it's important to consider the audience for your CV.
Absolutely, tailoring your approach can make all the difference.
This has been a great discussion. I'm still mulling over how this fits into the job market.
Me too, it's exciting yet daunting to think about how tech can change job applications.
But it's all about balance, right? Using tools like rendercv effectively without over-relying on them.
Exactly, it should enhance our skills, not replace the personal touch in job seeking.
Well, I think we've hit some solid points here. Makes me rethink my own CV.
Same here, I love how we've explored both the benefits and potential pitfalls.
It's such a good example of how tech can innovate even traditional processes.
And how we need to stay adaptable in a fast-changing job landscape.
Exactly. This conversation has definitely given me a lot to ponder about my career approach.